I was born in Durban, South Africa, and my father was a woodworker there. He was a cabinet maker. I then moved to London. I did cabinet making in London, had my own business over there, and moved my young family over to the States, over to Charleston. My name is Brenden Calloway, and I'm the owner of In Charleston in Charleston, South Carolina. I didn't really want to work for anybody. We bought this house and had a perfect place to set up a wood shop detached from the house, and I started small and grew my business. You know, I did a lot of research online. Laguna was always my first choice, and I researched all the other brands and got in touch with Laguna, and they were doing a great sale. They extended that for me, and I'm really happy that I went with them. They're a great company, they have great support. The setup was easy. When it arrived, I really wanted to start using it right off the bat, and I needed to wait for a tech to come over and help me set up. He was great. I got a few friends in the business over here that were really helpful setting up the power and infrastructure in my shop to handle my machine. But I try and run it every day. I use it as just another tool in my workshop. Tasks that used to take me a long time to do now just happen really easily while I'm doing something else. I really like doing shelving system, entertainment centers, libraries. I've just finished one in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. It was all solid walnut. It turned out beautiful, and the CNC helped with all the small details, helped with all the fluting, and any of the detail work was just so easy. It's all walnut veneer with solid features. Yeah, this is one of my favorite projects. I love doing this kind of work. It's like having two people working with me in my shop all the time. I can get on with, sanding or staining or sealing, and my machine's cutting what I need next. It's the heart of my workshop. The space it takes up way outweighs what it can do. It saves me so much time. It saves my back. Got really happy clients, keeping really busy, and the CNC machine just helps me keep up with everything. Yeah, it was a game changer. It really made my day-to-day work a lot easier.